can sleep with all my senses. I do. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say, I will always love you.
Hello Mijulsz, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, there's going to be with me going shopping and then cooking a little something. Alright, so let's just jump straight into this. I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't do any interaction with the camera on this day. It was a very what's the word? I wasn't really looking my best, you know what I mean? Alright, so we're in Morrison's right now. As you can see, I'm walking down the fruits and vegetable aisle and I'm about to get some nuts, you know what I mean? So I picked up a bag of red skin peanuts because I heard that is quite good for you during this horrible pandemic. You know, keeping healthy is the most important thing. Yes sir. So I'm up in the supermarket walking around minding my business, as you should be doing, because you don't know who got this nastiness. So I think at this point I was looking for butter, so I walked down the dairy aisle where you can find butter and all that good stuff. See, I'm trying to sieve between people. Alright, so I've gone and I've picked up, I think it was stock butter. You're not gonna really be able to see it properly, but it was stock butter. Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna roll on through. That's it, Mijulsz. Yeah. This voiceover sounds so echoey. I hope it's not echoing in the final production. Alright, cool. So I'm now going down the, look how the milk is spilled and no one to dry it up, and there's a worker right there. Dry up the milk. Okay, so I think this aisle is where you get drinks. I'm picking up 2 cartons of Tropicana because that's what hubby loves. Do you know what? Next time I do go shopping, I'm gonna be doing a shopping haul after everything because I didn't do that in this video. So my apologies. Cool. So here comes, yep, Tropicana, the blue lid without the juicy bits, as babe doesn't like the juicy bits. Right, so this is what would give anyone anxiety. Look how much people is up in this supermarket, guys. Oh my god. So I found myself down the aisle with less people because I ain't trying to go next to everybody where they be coughing and ish. So, oh, here we go. So there's a buggy in my way. Miss, you gonna have to move your buggy. Hello, my darling. Hello, yep, hello, yep, you, yes, mama bear. Thank you, boo. Okay, so we're walking down the aisle. We're about to turn left. And yeah, so we're walking. Where are we gonna go next? Knowing myself, or obviously from memory, I believe I'll be going down the loo section, the toilet tissue section. Guys, the toilet tissue section was empty. Can I get an E for empty? Hello, look at that. It empty. Panic buying. Okay. This man's up in my way.
Sorry.
Well, I did have manners. I said, excuse me. Okay, so what happened here was that I was looking for simple soap. As you know, simple soap is what I use. But when I done saw that £3 for that small bottle, I said, no ma'am. And I moved right along. Okay. I don't know if this voiceover thing's working, but it has to work today. Alright guys, so this is my favorite aisle. This is the cleaning section. Now look how empty it is. That means nobody was buying this stuff before. You lots are all nasty because usually this aisle is full. So therefore, this concludes that it's only since this pandemic y'all know how to clean your houses. Disgusting. And you know why I came down here? For the Dettol spray, because I've run out. But with saying that, I do have other cleaning products because, you know, good girl like me, I always shop in bulk. Yeah. But I did want to get that spray because it smells absolutely divine. It's in a pink tin and it just smells like... it just smells good. It smells really good. It does. So I was having a nose around. Nothing there for Julsz. But you know me, I love this aisle. So I was having a real good nose around. But there wasn't nothing here for me, which I was so unhappy about. But such is life, you know. We keep it moving. Come on, Julsz. Let's go. Let's go, boo. Let's go. I was really searching for that spray. I really was. I really was. Alright, so it's a bit of a jump. I got the cab home, dropped off that shopping, then came back out, and now I'm heading to the warehouse because we needed water, toilet tissue, and rice. Obviously, we have those, but we wanted to stock back up on more. Wow, that was a jump. Okay, I went there, but I obviously didn't video that bit. Moving on. Welcome to my humble abode. I am cooking din din. So what you're seeing right now is me lathering the oil in the pan to the slap the chicken all up in there. Y'all know how this is. Okay, girl. Alright, goodie. Swirl, swirl. That's it, good girl. So you know you have to marinate your meat. So I seasoned that from the night before. And it's been in the fridge for a good 24 hours. So we have our thyme, our onions, some seasoning all up in that. You know, you have all your seasonings. I can't remember exactly what I used, but I was going more for like a garlic and herb kind of taste. So you know, you have your parsleys, your onions, your cilantro, your basil, your thyme, you know, your garlic, your bit of this, your bit of that, bish bash bosh. We want it to be 150 degrees up in that oven. So now you're just making, you know, the gravy. So you got some tomato, bell peppers, garlic, onion, fried up in that butter sauce. Yes, ma'am. And yes, so that's all simmering, and this is what it should look like. Amen. Amen. Obviously, I've added a bit more stuff to it. I added tubs of sunflower oil. I added tubs of sweet and chili thingamabob sauce. And yeah. So this is a orange and salt concoction for us to inhale, you know, to prevent that nasty pan, you know, thing above. Oh damn, that finished so quick. Thank you for watching, Mijulsz. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next week. That was so quick. I really enjoyed this. Oh my god.